Hey and welcome to my UploadBucks review. I'm Nico, and in this video, I'll give you my honest review about UploadBucks, and in this channel, I give digital product reviews along with awesome bonuses for products I truly believe in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. UploadBucks is brought to you by Wesley Virgin, also the creator of InstaPays, CryptoPays, and many other software products. So the big question is UploadBucks really worth your money? I'll tell you if it ticks all the boxes, and if it does, I'll give you some awesome complimentary bonuses you can only get from me today. In a nutshell, UploadBucks is a make money online method where you can download other people's YouTube videos that fall under the Creative Commons category, upload them on your YouTube channel, and add affiliate links in the description for affiliate commissions. But more on this below. If this sounds like something you're interested in, stick with me as I will show you more during this video, including the pricing and upsells. Now let's jump into the next section of my UploadBucks review to find out what exactly UploadBucks is and how it can help you and your business. What exactly is UploadBucks? So, UploadBucks is mainly a method of making money online through affiliate marketing by downloading other people's YouTube videos and re-uploading them to your YouTube channel and monetizing these videos with affiliate links in the description of your video. Now, these videos need to be set as Creative Commons videos in order to use them. If they fall under this category, you basically can do whatever you want with them. As long as we're uploading videos on YouTube or any social media platform, we're getting paid. There are no complicated hoops to jump through, and the best part, we don't have to make these videos ourselves. UploadBucks review, how does it work? Here I will show you 3 simple magical steps that you need to follow to get commission over to your PayPal wallet. Step 1. Login. Access UploadBucks online on your computer or mobile phone. Works on any device. Step 2. Upload. Select a video inside of UploadBucks and hit the Upload button. Push button simple. Step 3. Receive. Each time we upload a video, we get paid $59.00. The payments never stop coming in. Now let's jump into the next section of my UploadBucks review to find out more about UploadBucks pricing and upsells. UploadBucks review, pricing and upsells. Front-end offer is the main app UploadBucks, which will cost you $19. For the front-end offer, the price you see now is available only during the launch period. After the launch, which ends on the 18th of February 2022, prices will increase or will go as monthly payments. I'm not quite sure, but I think it will remain the same price. Also, the front-end access doesn't depend on any of the upgrades to work. It works fine just on its own, but it is also limited. So if you want to get full access and go unlimited, then pick up OTO 1. Okay, now let's have a look at the upsells or OTO. I don't really have much information about them, but they are here to get you an idea and what you can expect from this funnel. OTO 1, Unlimited, $47.00, DS, $37.00. OTO 2, Done For You, $297.00, DS, $197.00. OTO 3, Autopilot, $47.00, DS, $27.00. OTO 4, Instant Profits, $97, DS, $77.00. OTO 5, Traffic on Tap, $147, DS, $97.00. OTO 6, Franchise, $197.00, DS, $97.00. OTO 7, 7X Edition, $47.00, DS, $27.00. UploadBucks review, features and benefits. This is what they claim you will get by purchasing UploadBucks, but we all know that's just a bunch of big and bold promises that don't deliver. 100% brand new UploadBucks system. UploadBucks upload monetization technology. UploadBucks Mobile Edition. UploadBucks step-by-step training videos. Free support team. Value, priceless. Bonus #1. Facebook retargeting secrets. Value, $1,997. Bonus #2. Modern video marketing methods. Value, $697. Bonus #3. Creating online traffic. Value, $997. Bonus #4. Build passive cash funnels. Value, $497. Bonus #5. ClickBank and social media kit. Value, $997. What are the pros and cons of UploadBucks review? Pros. It's easy to implement. Cheap, but you do have upgrades, optional. Cons. You have to buy at least one upsell in order to unlock more features. Misleading sales page and hyped up marketing. UploadBucks review. My final thoughts, worth it or not? So finally, we are at the conclusion of UploadBucks review, and I know you want to make sure whether it is really worth it for you or not. Okay, let's discuss. I'm going to tell you upfront, UploadBucks is not another one of those cheesy apps. It's different from other BS. Once you're inside the UploadBucks members area, you'll quickly discover that you've never seen anything else like this before. Plus, it is backed by dozens of beta testers who have seen results on the first day and in the very first hour, to be more precise. I have personally beta tested the app, so you don't need to worry about it. You can make your purchase decision with confidence. But I want to warn you about one thing here. These types of apps don't work for long. Buy this after 3-4 months and you will be wasting your time and money. The reason is, thousands of people would have purchased and already made thousands with it, and there will be nothing left for you. So, if you really want to profit off it, the time is now. Don't procrastinate, take action now. I highly recommend this app to everybody as it is a 100% legit paying app by just uploading videos on YouTube. As always, there is no pressure from my side, but in case you decide to buy this, then I will give you exclusive bonuses worth $51K for free. Check out the link under this video and get UploadBucks really quick. Thank you for watching my video review and see you in my next video. Cheers!